Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Qasim Ali, Senior Subject Specialist Chemistry at Regional Public School and Inter College Sahiwal. Dear students, I welcome you in online classes at DPS and Inter College Sahiwal. Let's start our today's lesson.
Dear students, आज हम चैप्टर 3 गैसेस इसका लेक्चर नंबर 5 स्टडी करेंगे। आज हम इसके न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व करेंगे और इसके साथ इसके एग्जांपल सॉल्व करेंगे। लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ टुडेज लेसन, स्टूडेंट्स शुड बी एबल टू सॉल्व न्यूमेरिकल्स गिवन इन द एक्सरसाइज। एक्सरसाइज में दिए हुए न्यूमेरिकल्स और चैप्टर में दिए गए एग्जांपल्स जो है सॉल्व की जाएंगी, which are related to the general gas equation, which we have already learned in the previous lesson, in which we prove general gas equation from gas laws. Different forms of the general gas equation we have learned in the previous lesson. That is, first one, PV is equal to nRT. Secondly, P is equal to nRT over V. Then V is equal to nRT over P. Then N is equal to PV over RT. या फिर हम R को कह सकते हैं R is equal to PV over NT, या फिर T that is equal to PV over NR. इसके अलावा P1 V1 over T1 that is also equal to P2 V2 over T2. ये डिफरेंट फॉर्म्स हैं जनरल गैस इक्वेशन की या आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन की जो यूज़ होती हैं फॉर सॉल्विंग डिफरेंट न्यूमेरिकल्स विच आर गिवन इन द एक्सरसाइज। इसके अलावा हमने डिराइव की थी इक्वेशन टू कैलकुलेट द डेंसिटी ऑफ एन आइडियल गैस बाय यूजिंग जनरल गैस इक्वेशन इन प्रीवियस लेसन, दैट इज D is equal to Pm over RT। इसके अलावा इक्वेशन जो अब हमने यूज की थी PV is equal to nRT, जहाँ पे n है उसके नंबर ऑफ मोल्स दैट इज इक्वल टू गिवन मास ओवर मोलर मास। जहाँ पे हम n की वैल्यू पुट करेंगे मास ओवर मोलर मास, देन इक्वेशन बिकम्स इक्वल टू PV is equal to m स्मॉल ओवर कैपिटल M into RT। ये इक्वेशन की फॉर्म्स जो अब हम यूज करेंगे टू सॉल्व द एग्जांपल्स एंड न्यूमेरिकल्स। फर्स्ट इसमें एग्जांपल नंबर 3 है, अ सैंपल ऑफ नाइट्रोजन गैस इज एनक्लोज्ड इन अ वेसल ऑफ वॉल्यूम 380 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब एट 120 डिग्री एंड प्रेशर ऑफ 101,325 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर। This gas is transferred to a 10 decimeter cube flask and cooled to 27 degrees centigrade. Then calculate the pressure in Newton per meter square exerted by the gas at 27 degrees centigrade. Solution: all the three parameters of this gas have been changed, so we can solve this problem by using the general gas equation of the form, that is P1 V1 over T1 is equal to P2 V2 over T2. Preferably convert the volume to decimeter cube and temperature to Kelvin scale. Initial volume of the gas, that is V1, is equal to 380 centimeter cube. Now convert it into decimeter cube, that is 0.38 decimeter cube. Initial temperature of the gas T1, which is 120 degrees centigrade, by adding 273 converted into 393 Kelvin. Initial pressure of the gas P1, that is equal to 101,325 Newton per meter square. Final temperature T2, that is 27 degrees centigrade, by adding 273, that is equal to 300 Kelvin. Final volume of the gas V2, that is equal to 10 decimeter cube. Final pressure P2, which is to be calculated. Now apply formula, which is P1 V1 over T1, that is equal to P2 V2 over T2. We have to find P2. Now rearrange the equation, that is P1 V1 over T1 into T2 over V2. Now by putting the values of pressure P1, volume V1, temperature T2, temperature T1 and volume V2 in this equation, the pressure P1 has value 101,325 Newton per meter square and the volume V1, that is 0.38 decimeter cube, and the temperature T2 has values 300 Kelvin. Over temperature T1, its value is 393 Kelvin and volume V2 has value 10 decimeter cube. By calculating the value, pressure P2 becomes equal to 2938.4 Newton per meter square, which is the answer of this example. That is the final pressure of gas P2, 2938.4 Newton per meter square. Next example is example number 4. Statement: calculate the density of methane gas at 0 degree centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure. What will happen to the density if temperature is increased to 27 degree centigrade? Secondly, B part, the pressure is increased to 2 atmospheres at 0 degree centigrade. Solution of this question: temperature of the gas 0 degree by adding 273, that is equal to 273 Kelvin. Pressure of the gas is equal to 1 atmosphere. Molecular mass of the gas, that is equal to 16 gram per mole. Gas constant R, which is equal to 0.0821 decimeter cube atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. Formula for density of gas at any temperature and pressure, that is D is equal to Pm over RT. ये हमने लास्ट लेसन में प्रूफ किया था. Density is equal to Pm over RT. By putting the values of pressure, molar mass of the gas, R gas constant, and temperature of the gas, pressure of the gas 1 atmosphere, molar mass of the gas 16 gram per mole, and value of R, that is 0.0821, and temperature of the gas 273 Kelvin. By calculating the value 1 into 16 over 0.0821 into 273, density of the gas becomes equal to 0.71238 gram per decimeter cube. It means that under the given conditions, 1 decimeter cube of methane gas has a mass of 0.7138 grams. Now A part, calculate the density of this gas at 27 degrees centigrade. Now temperature 27 plus 273, that is equal to 300 Kelvin. Putting values in the equation of density and simplifying the units. Density is equal to Pm over RT. Density is equal to 1 atmosphere into 16 gram per mole over value of R 0.0821 into temperature value 300 Kelvin. By putting the values of pressure, molar mass, general gas constant and temperature, we can calculate the value of density of this gas at 27 degrees centigrade, which becomes equal to 0.649 gram per decimeter cube. Now, B part of this statement, density at 2 atmospheric pressure and 0 degree centigrade. Temperature of the gas 0 degree plus 273, that is equal to 273 Kelvin. Pressure of the gas P is equal to 2 atmosphere. Putting values in the equation and simplifying the units. Equation which we use for calculating the density, D is equal to Pm over RT. Density is equal to 2 atmosphere into 16 gram per mole, which is the molar mass of this gas, 0.0821, which is the value of general gas constant, into 273 Kelvin, which is the value of temperature. By calculating the value of the gas density, 1.427 gram per decimeter cube. Now example number 5. Calculate the mass of 1 decimeter cube of ammonia gas at 30 degree and 1000 millimeter mercury pressure. Considering that ammonia is behaving ideally. Solution of this example: pressure of the gas is equal to 1000 millimeter mercury. To convert it into atmosphere, we divide 1000 by 760. The value becomes equal to 1.315 atmosphere. Volume of the gas is equal to 1 decimeter cube. Temperature of the gas is equal to 30 degree. By adding 273 becomes equal to 303 Kelvin. Molecular mass of the gas, that is equal to 17 gram per mole. General gas equation: PV is equal to nRT can be used to calculate the mass of the gas. Now the equation becomes equal to PV is equal to small m over capital M into RT. Here number of moles were replaced by the mass over molar mass. By rearranging the equation, small m is equal to PVm over RT. Putting values along with the units, mass of NH3 is equal to 1.315 atmosphere into 1 decimeter cube into 17 grams per mole over 0.0821 decimeter cube atmosphere per Kelvin per mole into 303 Kelvin. And the mass of ammonia becomes equal to 0.907 grams.
Question number 17. Statement. First part. What are the densities in kilogram per decimeter cube of the following gases at STP? Pressure given 101325 Newton per meter square and temperature of the gas T, that is equal to 273 Kelvin. Molecular masses are in kilogram per mole. Three gases, first one methane, secondly oxygen, third one is hydrogen. P part, compare the values of densities in proportion to their mole masses. C part, how do you justify that increase of volume up to 100 decimeter cube at 27 degree of 2 moles of ammonia will allow the gas behave ideally as compared to STP conditions? Solution for A part. Temperature 273 Kelvin, pressure 101325 Newton per meter square, R general gas constant 8.3143 Newton meter per Kelvin per mole. Molar masses of methane, that is equal to 16 gram per mole, and in kg its value becomes equal to 0.016 kilogram per mole. Molar mass of oxygen is equal to 32 gram per mole and its value in kg becomes equal to 0.032 kilogram per mole. Molar mass of hydrogen is equal to 2 gram per mole and its value in kilogram per mole becomes 0.002 kilogram per mole. Density of methane, that is equal to 101325 Newton per meter square into 0.016 kilogram per mole over 8.3143 Newton meter per Kelvin per mole into 273 Kelvin. Formula used, density, that is equal to Pm over RT, and its value becomes equal to 0.714 kilogram per meter cube. For second gas, that is oxygen, density of oxygen is equal to pressure 101325 Newton per meter square into molar mass of the gas 0.032 kilogram per mole and general gas constant 8.3143 Newton meter per Kelvin per mole, and temperature of the gas, that is 273 Kelvin. By calculating the values, the density of oxygen becomes equal to 1.428 kilogram per meter cube. Density of hydrogen, pressure for gas hydrogen 101325 Newton per meter square and the molar mass of the gas 0.002 kilogram per mole, value of R 8.3143 Newton meter per Kelvin per mole, and the temperature of the gas 273 Kelvin. Calculating the value of density of hydrogen, its value becomes equal to 0.089 kilogram per meter cube. B part. Molar masses of the hydrogen, methane and oxygen are hydrogen ratio oxygen, hydrogen ratio methane ratio oxygen. Value of hydrogen 2 ratio 16 ratio 32. By simplifying the ratios between hydrogen, methane and oxygen, its value becomes 1 ratio 8 ratio 16. Densities of hydrogen, methane and oxygen. Hydrogen, methane and oxygen. Values of the densities of hydrogen, methane and oxygen. For hydrogen 0.089, for methane 0.74 and for oxygen 1.428. Now divide all values by minimum value, that is 0.089 over 0.089 ratio 0.74 over 0.089 ratio 1.428 over 0.089. Its value becomes equal to 1:8:16. The ratio of densities and molar masses of hydrogen, methane and oxygen are same. Molar masses of a gas is directly proportional to its density, because with the increase of the molar mass, density increases. In previous lesson, we have learned the relation density that is equal to Pm over RT, in which density is directly proportional to molar mass of the gas. C part, STP conditions for any gas is 0 degree and 1 atmospheric pressure with ideal volume of 22.414 decimeter cube. Volume of 2 moles of ammonia at STP is 22.414 into 2 is equal to 44.818 decimeter cube. When temperature of ammonia gas is increased from 0 degree to 27 degree, volume of gas expands. Its new volume is 100 decimeter cube. By expansion of gas, the intermolecular forces of attraction decreases and gas becomes more ideal. In ideal gas, there is no forces of attractions between molecules. Pressure and high temperature makes the gas ideal.
Question number 18. A sample of krypton with the volume of 6.25 decimeter cube, a pressure of 765 torr and a temperature of 20 degree is expanded to a volume of 9.55 decimeter cube and a pressure of 375 torr. What will be its final temperature in Celsius? Solution of this question: V1, volume of the gas 6.25 decimeter cube. V2, final volume of the gas 9.55 decimeter cube. P1, initial pressure of the gas 765 torr. T2, final pressure of the gas 375 torr. T1, initial temperature of the gas, that is 20 degree. By adding 273, its value becomes equal to 293 Kelvin. T2, final temperature of the gas, which is to be calculated. Now by applying formula, that is P1 V1 over T1 is equal to P2 V2 over T2. That is the formula P1 V1 over T1, P2 V2 over T2. Now rearrange the equation. The value of T2 becomes equal to T1 into P2 V2 over P1 V1. By putting the values of initial temperature T1, which is 293 Kelvin, P2, final pressure of the gas, that is 735 torr, P2, final volume of the gas, that is 9.55 decimeter cube, initial pressure of the gas P1 765 torr, and the initial volume of the gas, that is V1 6.25 decimeter cube. The value of T2 becomes equal to 219 Kelvin. To convert into Celsius scale, Celsius is equal to Kelvin minus 273. So we have to subtract 273 from 219. The value of temperature T2 in Celsius scale becomes equal to minus 54 Celsius. Now the question number 19. Statement of this question is: working at a vacuum line, chemist isolated a gas in a weighing bulb with a volume of 255 cm3 at a temperature of 25 degree and under pressure in the bulb of 10 torr. The gas weighed 12.1 milligram. What is the molecular mass of the gas? Solution of this question: V1 volume of the gas 255 cm3, temperature of the gas 25 degree. By adding 273, its value becomes equal to 298 Kelvin. Pressure of the gas, that is 10 torr. To convert it into atmosphere, divided by 760. The value becomes equal to 0.0131 atmosphere. And the mass of the gas, that is 12.1 milligram. To convert it into grams, divided by 1000. So value becomes 0.0121 grams. Value of our general gas constant is equal to 0.0821 decimeter cube atmosphere per Kelvin per mole. And the value of molar mass of the gas to be calculated. Formula: PV is equal to nRT. Now, by substituting the value of N, that is number of moles, becomes equal to mass over molar mass. So N becomes equal to mass over molar mass in this equation, and equation becomes equal to PV is equal to small m over capital M into RT. By rearranging the equation, M capital becomes equal to small m into RT over PV. Putting values along with units, mass of the gas 0.0121 gram into value of R 0.0821 decimeter cube atmosphere per Kelvin per mole, and the value of temperature 298 Kelvin, and value of pressure 0.0131 atmosphere, and the value of volume of the gas 0.255 decimeter cube. And the molar mass of the gas becomes equal to 88.6 gram per mole.
Assignment of today's lesson, जिसमें हमने एग्जाम्पल्स और न्यूमेरिकल्स रिलेटेड टू जनरल गैस इक्वेशन सॉल्व की। इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं स्टूडेंट्स आपको सॉल्व करने के लिए। आई होप कि आप इनको सॉल्व कर सकेंगे, क्योंकि ये जो एग्जाम्पल्स और न्यूमेरिकल्स हमने सॉल्व की हैं उनके साथ सिमिलर है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन: कैलकुलेट द मैस ऑफ 1 decimeter cube of methane gas at 27 degree and 1.5 atmosphere, considering that methane gas is behaving ideally. Second question: calculate the density of 1 mole of methane gas at 273 Kelvin and 2 atmospheric pressure. Third question: a sample of neon with the volume of 6 decimeter cube, a pressure of 700 torr and a temperature of
20 degree is expanded to a volume of 9 decimeter cube and a pressure of 300 torr. What will be its final temperature? Next lesson में हम पढ़ेंगे एवोगैड्रोस लॉ और उसके साथ ग्रेहम्स लॉ ऑफ डिफ्यूजन एंड एफ्यूजन और इसके अलावा होगा डाल्टन्स लॉ ऑफ पार्शियल प्रेशर्स. Thank you.